In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Kindle book in your Amazon account. So first thing you want to do is go to Amazon, and then from here, click into the search bar and type in your book by the title. I'm going to type in Kindle book just for example. So whenever you find your book, they'll appear down here. So just click on the book. Let's click on this book here. And once you click on your book, you can download it. You can buy now with one click, and it will download into your. It will be available for your download, so you can read it. And if you click deliver to your Kindle library, it will be in your Kindle app, and you'll be able to pay for it and have it for download as well. Always make sure up here that you click the Kindle version and not the audio or paperback version, because you will not get your Kindle version that way. And if you want an Audible, and if you want a sample where you can read it, here's one as well. Alright, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment and like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. That's how you download a Kindle book in Amazon.